Only one step to increase the FPS and gaming performance. You just need to do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And here you need to click on system. So guys, if you are having hard time in your games and if you have issues with FPS drops and overall experience of gaming is not good, then this tutorial will be very helpful, very helpful. So here in system, go to display, and here you need to scroll down. This will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11 both. And here you need to go to this under related settings. You will find advanced display and graphics. So moment you click on graphics, you will find a list of all apps installed, and here you need to select your game. So for example, let's say if this is your game, or like this is your game, you just need to go to options, and from here, instead of let Windows decide, you need to select high performance GPU Intel UHD. So the reason why we are selecting high performance, because no matter which graphics card you have, this high performance will actually use the graphics and will give a priority while playing the games. Alright, so I will select high performance and I'll click on save, and the moment you do that, you just need to restart the computer and just play your game and let me know whether there is a improvement of your game or not. I'll see you in the next video. Please do let me know if it has changed your gaming experience or not. Have a wonderful day. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. I really need your support.